Hey everybody, it's me, Greg, from LeGrand Drain Cleaning and Pressure Washing in Gainesville, Florida. And in this video, I want to talk to you as a customer and as a fellow pressure washer about three things you need to do to protect your customer and protect yourself. And those three things are professional equipment, proper training, and experience. If you're a homeowner or a business owner, you need to ask your pressure washer or soft washer about those three things. And if you're a pressure washer or soft washer, you need to really make sure that you possess those three things so that your company is flawless and you are a really good steward of your customer's place. So let's go watch the video. I'll show you what I'm talking about. This is a disaster over here, but we're going to get through it, and maybe this video will make everybody just a little better. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, welcome back. Up front, I would like to apologize for the noise. There's a lot of traffic out here. You know, it is the real work world and there's a lot of wind blowing, so I apologize, but I'll try to speak clearly. As you can see, this sidewalk right here, it's about 300 feet long. I bid on this job, somebody else got it, and this video is not about me against a competitor. What I really want to talk about is being good stewards and doing a proper job for your customers. So if you're a customer, you need to ask people if they know these three things. And the first is, do you have professional equipment? Now, if you look at these lines that are going up and down this walkway all the way up, and you look at these burn marks, look how many there are of this surface cleaner. He may or may not have had professional equipment. The surface cleaner had plenty of pressure, you know, so that could have been professional. But whatever cleaning agents he was using, who knows? He could have used his own mixture. He could have used stuff from Home Depot. So you may want to ask, hey, sorry about the truck, ask the guy first, hey, you know, what equipment are you using? And secondly, are you using cleaning agents that are specifically made for this application in the pressure washing and soft washing industry? The second thing is knowledge, okay? Now, you don't have to be 80 years old to have knowledge. You don't have to be 30 to have knowledge. New guys have plenty of knowledge, but the problem is, how did they get the knowledge? Were they trained properly? And when I'm talking knowledge, I'm talking training. Do they know what their cleaning agents are doing? You know, are they mixing stuff haphazardly? Have they had somebody really teach them? Have they pulled the safety data sheets? You know, do they know the knowledge of, in this case, the surface cleaner, where you can back that pressure down some or keep moving the unit so you're not burning all these rings into the concrete? You know, contrary to popular belief, concrete can get damaged. And, you know, if you had insurance and they got to pay to get something like this resurfaced or whatnot, chances are you're not going to have it for long. The next and last important thing is experience. You know, experience is different than knowledge. You know, I get this all the time. Once again, a new guy can have experience. And the reason he can have experience is because he will go work with other people to show him how to do things properly. And at very least, he will practice on his own sidewalk, his own driveways, his parents' driveways, you know, his uncle's driveway, all his friends, and anybody else that'll let him, you know, mess around for a while till he gets really good at what he's doing. So when you have knowledge, you avoid these kind of problems and you keep your customers happy. We're stewards of their property. Not only do they want us to clean it, they expect us not to damage it. You know, and being stewards, you know, if you're doing things like this, you're not a steward. And to be quite frank with you, I'm sorry, this is live, I would honestly just tell you, if you're not going to learn and you're not going to practice and you're not going to gain experience by, you know, helping others who have experience do their job, so you learn from them. Then you just need to get out of the business because you're making the rest of us look bad. So I just wanted to share this with y'all. You know, there's a lot of business for everybody to do here in Gainesville and surrounding areas. There's plenty of it. You know, all of us can make a living, but we can't make a living if people are going around tearing stuff up like this, because homeowners and business owners, you know, are just not going to put up with it. They're going to see this when they come to church or they visit a business and they walk in, they go, oh my God, you know, who tore this up? So anyways, that's enough of my rant today. And once again, just to recap, you need professional equipment, you need the proper training, and you need experience when taking care of customers' properties. So I hope this video helps you out. And if you're a homeowner or a business owner, you know, I really hope that you like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel so you can see more things like this. But just remember, when you hire your pressure washer or your soft washer guy, ask him about the equipment he uses. Ask him about the cleaning agents he uses. Ask him, you know, for before and after pictures maybe, you know, and what type of experience he has, what type of knowledge he has. And you know, you don't have to shy away from a new person in business. You're just trying to make sure that he is going to take care of your property the way that you would take care of it. Hey, if you found this video useful, hit those thumbs up button located below the video, or subscribe to that little icon on the right of the screen, and there'll be more videos on the left of the screen for your viewing pleasure. Have a great day.